There are numerous products available to choose front door security bar, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did expansive exploration, read tons of reviews, and collected a list of the stylish best front door security bar from estimable brands. After much exploration, I set up these products that are very helpful for people like you. However, be sure to know about the price and other information. Check my description. So without any further detention, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Master Lock Door Security Bar. About this item: heavy-duty, dual-function door security bar prevents forced entry on hinged, patio, and sliding doors. Door stopper security bar is intended for indoor use. Door security bar design is portable and compact, making it easy to store and ideal for travel, providing enhanced security in hotels or on vacation. Adjusts from 27-1 divided by 2 to 42 inches to fit most standard doors and sliding patio doors. Top door knob jamb is easily removed for sliding door applications. Made with heavy-duty 20-gauge steel for strength and security. Pivoting ball joint ensures door security bar has full contact with floor for secure fit, while padded foot provides a strong grip without scratching. No tools required. Simply adjust the bar length using the release button. Prop under door knob and easily adjust it as needed. Product description: the Master Lock 265 EC door security bar is made of rugged 20-gauge steel construction to resist forced entry through doors and sliding patio doors. The bar adjusts from 27-1 divided by 2 in to 44-1 divided by 2 in, 1.12 meters for application flexibility. The pivoting ball joint assures full contact with floor, and padded foot provides sure grip without scratching. Number 2. Ideal Security Sliding Patio Door Security Bar. About this item: home security. Keep your family safe with this child-proof door security bar that acts as a visual deterrent and door blocker against burglars who can see it clearly through the door. Convenient door storage design. When not in use, the sliding door security bar swings upwards and stays out of the way, perfect for any sliding door or sliding glass patio door. Safest door security bar. This door blocker bar and saddle are screwed into the door frame and profile, providing reliable protection, unlike pressure-mounted bars that can shake loose and fall. Adjustable and easy to install. Made of aluminum, this door security bar easily slides from 25.75 to 47.5 and can be installed without cutting. It even allows the door to partially open while being secured. Comfortable height. Our door blocker mounts in the middle of the door, not the bottom, allowing you to open your door without bending down to reach the bar. Choose the right one for you. These bars are your line of defense against burglars. That's why it's important that you pick the right one for your window. So, pick up your measuring tape and get down to business. With the window closed, measure the distance from the inside of the window frame to the inside of the window profile. If the distance is between 10.6 and 16.625, you need the BK 112. 15.7 and 26.75, you need the BK 111. 25.75 and 47.5, you need the BK 110. Number 3. Brinks 675-83001 Heavy-Duty Dual-Function Door Security Bar. About this item: 20-gauge heavy-duty steel tube construction, adjustable, swivel base, lifetime warranty. Product description: the Brinks dual-functioning door and sliding door security bar provides heavy-duty security for hinged, patio, and sliding doors to prevent forced entry. The quick and simple installation requires no tools. The door security bar adjusts in 40 different positions between 27 and 44.5 to fit most doors. It is constructed of 20-gauge heavy-duty steel for extra strength and security. The non-marring top yoke and pivoting padded foot protect your floors, doors, and locks while providing optimal security. This product works best on tile, wood, and concrete floors. The mobile and compact design makes this door security bar great for home, dorm room, travel, and more. This comes with a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer. The Brinks Home Security Door Jammer is adjustable in height from 25-43. The door jammer can increase your feeling of security in the home and fits both hinged and sliding doors. Brinks product is designed to keep your home, loved ones, and your valuables safe by exceeding rigorous testing standards and using the highest quality materials to provide you with years of worry-free use. Lifetime warranty included. Number 4. SABRE Adjustable 2-in-1 Door Security Bar. About this item: enhanced home protection, prevent forced entry on hinged, patio, and sliding doors with this heavy-duty, dual-function door stop security bar, for indoor use only. Adjustable, adjusts from 28.5 in to 45 in, 114 centimeters in length to fit most standard doors and sliding patio doors. Top door knob jamb is easily removed for use with sliding door applications. Length without door knob jamb, 25 in. to 41.5 durable, commercial design, made with heavy-duty 1mm, 20-gauge steel for strength and security. Pivoting ball joint ensures full contact with floor for secure fit, while padded foot provides a strong grip without scratching the floor. Installs in seconds, no tools required. Simply adjust the bar length using the release buttons. Prop under door knob with the pivoting ball joint placed 15 to 18 inches away from the door. Recommended to use with door knobs and levers only. No handle sets. Portable and compact. Collapsible design is easy to store and ideal for travel, providing extra security in hotels, on vacation, or at the office. Product description: a burglary occurs every 14.5 seconds in the United States, and the average 911 response time has climbed to 10 minutes due to federal budget cuts. The SABRE adjustable door security bar is a heavy-duty, dual-function security bar made from high-grade iron that can secure just about any hinged doors, sliding doors, or windows. The security bar is fully adjustable with an angled padded bottom that assures full contact and strong grip on all types of floors without scratching them. The top door knob jamb is removable for use with a sliding door. It's easy to use. Simply adjust the bar length using the release buttons, prop under the door knob, and adjust as needed. No tools required. The adjustable door security bar is collapsible, making it easy to store and travel with, so you can feel at ease in hotels, on vacation, or even in your office. The hinged door length measures 28.5 to 45, while the sliding door length measures 25 to 41.5. The adjustable door security bar was developed by SABRE, the #1 pepper spray brand trusted by police and consumers worldwide. Backed by 43 years in the security industry, SABRE products are designed to keep your home, loved ones, and your valuables safe. SABRE products are ISO 9001:2015 certified and must pass rigorous quality assurance testing before leaving our facilities. Provide you with peace of mind and years of worry-free use. Improve your home security today. Choose SABRE. Number 5. SECURITYMAN adjustable door security bar. About this item: 2-in-1 door stopper security bar and sliding door security bar. Use this device for 2 different purposes with easy interchangeable caps for hinged doors and sliding door windows. Perfect for home, apartment, or dorms. Extra protection for your door. Add an extra layer of protection for your home with a door stopper. Angled rubber bottom assures full contact and strong grip on most types of floors without scratching them. Adjustable and durable. Door jammer can be adjusted between 22.25-43.7 for vertical doors with standard knobs and 22.25-39.25 for windows or patio doors due to the sliding glass door lock caps being shorter. Built to withstand 350 pounds of force. Easy to use and set up. Whether used as a patio door security bar or door jamb, install takes just seconds and instantly adds an extra layer of protection. Easily props under the door knob and easy to remove. Door blocker rod can also be easily adjusted. What's included? Your satisfaction matters, therefore enjoy 1 year and lifetime support. Door security bar, door caps, sliding patio door and window caps. User guide. Adjust bar length. Use the telescoping design to set bar length 15-18 from the base of door. Prop under door knob. Secure and prop the bar to your door knob. Ensure it is snug. Push bar in with your leg. Use your foot to push the end of the bar towards the door. Done. That's it. Install and remove in the matter of seconds. Easy. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you need more information or want to know the product price, please read my description. For any type of question, please leave a comment below. Stay informed about our cool products as they inspire you.